Greetings YouTube, Tech Nerd 1.0 here. This is a very quick unboxing and review. This is the O-Mag Ring by Spigen. This is a magnetic phone holder and it is supposedly works with Magsafe. I'm sure it does. But here is the question. Will it work with a non-Magsafe case? Now this is the Spigen Ultimate Hybrid. It's a hybrid case. So this one does not have the Magsafe included, and again, this is for the my iPhone 14 Pro Max. The other reason I want to go over this is because this phone is so large. I am concerned that this will not have enough strength, even if it does hold. I'm going to open this real quick. I have been using this phone quite a bit. The problem is it is quite large, and I often have issues where I just want to set it up. All right, so here we go. Let's see if it works. It does. It's on there. I got to tell you though, it's not all that. I don't know. It's not all that secure. Yeah, it slips off there pretty easy. You definitely will not bear the weight of holding it up. It does hold it up there, so that is okay, which is what I wanted it for, essentially. It's something that is not quite, you know, I don't want anything on here permanent because I don't like to mar up the look of my case or my phone or anything. So that was my solution. Let's see what happens if we take this case off. Let's see how hard it's on there. It's on there harder. You can it will at least hold itself now, but it's still not even on there it's still not that tough. I think for an accessory like this, I think that's a little pricey. I think it's about 20 bucks. I don't know. If you're looking for just something to hold the phone widescreen so you can watch a movie while you're doing something, I think it works there. Anyways, there you go. That is the review and unboxing of the Spigen O-Mag Ring magnetic phone holder. All right, folks, quick update here. This is on the Spigen O-Mag Ring. We had tested this out, and performance on a non-Magsafe case was at best lackluster. It did stick, kind of held up the phone, but not very well. So I went ahead and got one of these. You've probably seen these around. You can get a case that has these already on them. I think they embed them in the plastic. Most of the time when you get them and it's part of the case, it's on the inside. These are basically just kind of almost like a decal that goes on the outside. This one is a fairly generic one. This is by Wannap. Again, I'll put the links for all of this stuff down below. So I tried this out to hopefully see if this would work, because I do like this little gizmo. Here we are, and I'll show you. And this really works really well, like really well, and it's pretty darn hard to get this off of here, you know. So this I feel pretty good with. I feel pretty safe with using this on my phone. Again, you know, it would take quite a bit to knock that off of there, and it really sticks quite well. Now the other thing about this too, as I've been able to find out, you can really pretty much, once this is on, you can turn it around which way you want, you know, for whatever purpose you're going to use it. And then, like I said, the thing I like is it just comes off. Now you may or may not like this outside ring on your case. For some reason, I find it aesthetically pleasing. I don't know why. I would get one that matches your case, though. You know, if if you're at all picky-oon like myself, I would want one that matches. They have silver ones, but again, that doesn't match. Now, I have seen some people say also that these things, the glue starts coming off, or that they rust or whatever. I don't know if that's going to happen, but when I got these, they sent me a fair amount of them. I don't know, 4 or 5, something like that. I think with this is a win. Without it, probably not so much. The obvious question you're asking yourself is, why would you just not buy a Magsafe case in the first place? Yes, that's a legit question. The problem is that I really like the hybrid Spigen case. I don't really like the Magsafe case that they offer. It's completely see-through, even the edges and everything. I just don't like it. I kind of like having the black edges on there and everything. So yeah, I mean, I guess it's just aesthetics and fashion, but you like what you like. So there we go. But that's the update. Again, with these little gizmos, this works great. Without it, not so much. I still feel this is it is pricey for what it is. I mean, you can grab these things in any store. These little, I guess the old ones were called pop sockets or whatever. You can find these things anywhere, like Walmart, for like, I don't know, a few bucks. This was like 20 bucks for this one. Of course, it is Spigen, so it's kind of a brand name. People like this stuff, and it is MagSafe as well. So there's something to that. But, you like what you like. And if this is what you're looking for, this fills that niche. So, again, I'm going to give this a win. So all of the links will be down here. If you have not seen my opening and review of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, look that up. I'll try to leave a link to it up here. Remember, again, like, share, and subscribe. Tech Nerd, signing out.